It's like, oh, if you say, I want to be rich, like right away we shrink and our body clubs. It's like, oh, almost like, I can't even say that out loud. That sounds terrible. Why? Because that program is there, like, you can't say that, money's evil. You're not allowed to say you want to be rich. That means you would be evil. So you can see that the work is to start reprogramming and start saying, like, no, money is abundant. Money, the more money that I have, the more good I can do. Money in the hands of generous people can change the world. And the more money that I have, the more, the more rich that I can create a life experience, the more that I can help my children or whatever we want to do with our financial abundance. But that we have to override those old belief systems and those old stories that have been programmed into our mind by the time we're 7, and retrain our nervous system that money isn't dangerous. When I grew up, my parents were both alcoholics, and they were, you guys all heard, we were very poor growing up. And in my house, all I remember as a kid is them fighting around money. And I remember screaming matches. I mean, as a small kid, all I remember is money fights. I mean, that's like 95% of all my childhood memories are money fights between my parents. And so deep inside my nervous system is that money's dangerous. I mean, my parents would throw things at each other and screaming match and slamming doors and skidding off and, skidding the tires and, just terrible things as a kid. That's like, this money is terrifying. It's scary. And so that's a lot of trauma. So for some, there might be trauma work that needs to be, taken care of. There's very few people. I mean, where money was just kind of a good thing growing up, and it was talked about, and it wasn't, it was emotionally positive. It wasn't emotionally negative. There are some out there, but it's very, very rare. So part of these is really like understanding like the gravitas of this mindset and heart set, and our behaviors just they're just bolted in. And it sounds easy, like just go change your mindset. But again, this is started, everything was programmed by the time we're 7. And now decades later, we're still playing out these same narratives, these same stories, living by these same beliefs. And the good news is it can all be reprogrammed. We can all be rewired.